Apedorosha la Karenga district kesda delo si anoda Atubokin totoranga takaibaren akoko enene kesi no yote mngoni lo sangar.
The 16th of October we had a problem where my 2 soldiers were shot in Sangar. As if that was not enough, within the same time on the 25th of October, one of the tutors who is a teacher in a Kabong Technical Institute was shot at the main road in Nakeder. Nakeder is a main road that comes from Karenga and joins to Napak. Still on the 25th of October, one of the councillors in Kawala sub-county in Karenga district was also abducted and picked from his house and taken to the bush and shot on the leg. Still on the 29th of October, there was a big problem where the working class were actually disturbed in a Kawala call. The medical staff have been chased.
And because of the terrain of Sangar and its fertility, all the wrongdoers have come to harbor in the sub-county.
Okola kalo nyezde Atubokin kwa na Isabitin yare ibon anode Ainyakun Imuudun kechem tetere itimi okesi ara imame pota tinga kinika jore.
Let all people bring guns, and they have been given only 2 weeks in Karenga district. After 2 weeks, we are going to begin looking for and engage those people who are trying to bring uncertainties in this country, in this part of the country.
We have even their names who have guns are few, but the rest who have come from other sub-counties are here. Also, they are harbored in Sangar just because they access the food freely.
Idoko pekwa na engareno kesde utasa itolota area mnuneta kedangunu lukola rasa ngata kaibaren anoda alosta yodo unum ipaupa kechelero ngejaso kitui abongunore.
That is the reason why we have decided to go back to the community and do what we call security community mobilization.
Those who handed in their guns earlier have been used to talk to their colleagues who are still at large and tell them what they are enjoying after they handed over.
The relatives are in these meetings. Now the relatives go home and they should be able to call their kinsmen, the brothers, the sons, and inform them that, you know what, government has given you amnesty to bring back the guns. We have also had an interaction with the reformed warriors from as far as Kotido and Kabong, who are testifying that when you bring your gun peacefully, you're not disturbed, you go home.
Nyedo luda rasa yangu na koto manakoko kesi da baka sebe mame pata na kesa ingalau na keche pau pa bongno tomanoreria nara mena pugani aiganga kesi luda dauta Ainyakun Imuudun kech.
The president said that if you return the gun peacefully, they will give you something. Now for us, we have returned. When you try to talk to someone who is still in the bush, that you, my brother, you return back the gun, they can tell you that for you have returned. What have you benefited? The problem also is the government giving us the problem. If the past group was to get something, then it will have given the moral to others, for those who are still in the bush.
Government namwambia zizi nisema kama narudia zela alipata kitu afadhali kwa wacha kiiba kwa msuni. Wacha mimi nakubali, lakini government bado leta kitu.
It is very difficult for you to cry from the bush when you are armed. Come back to the community, form groups, and we shall address the problem, and that pledge will be addressed.
Godfred Ainyakun, TV East, Karenga.